Okay, this one literally has it all. Located just minutes from Bemidji on paved roads, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on just under 15 acres of privacy and all the possibility you could think of. When we head inside, you see vaulted ceilings, an open floor plan, and a massive kitchen island that's perfect for hosting. Now heading outside, you've got a huge 28 by 36 triple detached garage that you can see behind me, a 25 by 40 pole building, a chicken coop, and a pig pen that are negotiable if you're dreaming of that mini hobby farm. Oh, and did I mention the billboard income on the corner of the property? Well, I think it's time to stop talking about the property and instead, let's go take a tour. Well, there you have it. This property sure does have a lot to offer. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here on Team Montgomery. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.